You're probably wondering if this device will help you make the perfect steak each time. I purchased this because I am very particular about my steaks. I would rather cook them at home than in a restaurant, and this gives me professional level results every single time. I love that you can use this device or the app. I personally really love the app that you get with this. It does way more than you think. And the device itself, if I don't want to use my phone or my phone is out of reach or something, I can just use the device. It acts as the charging unit and the monitor. It comes with 2 probes. They are clearly labeled 1 and 2. And it charges them. It has 3 charging pieces, connections on the back. It has a kickstand, so you can set it up and you can put that down when you want to stow it away. The on button is on the side. Now, what's not lit up is there's some extra things you don't see, like burnt overheat, things like that, that will light up as you use it. I can't demo that without actually burning a piece of meat, so bear with me, which we wouldn't be doing anyway because we're using this device, right? So you can set each individual probe to whatever specific temperature you want. So say you have someone who wants their steak medium well done, you can set that temperature so it is higher, and it will alert you when to pull it off the grill when the internal temperature has reached that. And then say you're like me and you want it medium rare. I want to know when it reaches, oops, sorry, I forgot to hit set. It's easier to do when you're not on camera. So I would want mine to be, say, alert me when it's at 120 so that I can pull it off at 125. I love this, how this functions by itself, but I love the app it comes with even more. And since you buy this unit, you get access to the app. It connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is off right now, so you don't see the little logo. There is volume control with 3 settings, silent and 2 ring settings. And then you also get Celsius and Fahrenheit, and there's your USB-C charging port on the side. I love that it's USB-C because everything's moving to that now. Now, for the probe, you get them clearly labeled 1 and 2. And the sensors are here and then throughout this section. So it's very hard to see on camera, but there's a notch right here. You want the meat to go from here to here, covering that notch, and to the end. You do not want the end sticking out of your meat, and you do not want the notch uncovered. You want it covered. So that's super simple. Once you know that rule, you're going to do it right every time. This piece is ceramic. So this is not a sensor in here, but this is all, there's multiple, like I think 5 sensors throughout this that are going to get all of those internal temperatures of your meat. Then there is a sensor here that's doing ambient. Now, you're going to put this in, and then as soon as you put this in, it starts saying you're cooking, you get it on the grill, it starts measuring all those temperatures, and then it alerts you when you want it to alert you, whether that's cooking time or cooking temperature. Personally, I do cooking temperature. I have it alert me 5 degrees before I want to pull it off. The benefit to me is I have children running around, a toddler and a baby. I can't be standing by the grill cooking the entire time when I have to manage my whole household. So this tells me when I need to get my booty outside so I can pull it off the grill so it's cooked to my liking and cooked to my husband's liking or my guests, right? Because we can set 2 different temperatures, one for each probe. So after you pull it off the grill, you do not want to pull this out immediately. You want to keep it in there while it rests. The app will walk you through the entire process. I will put up the app so you can see it. This will tell you when it's done resting and when it's fully cooked and fully reached that final stage. So when you cook a steak, you want to pull it off, say, at 125 degrees and wait for it to get to 130 or 135, whatever it is. After you pulled it off, it still keeps cooking once it's off the grill. That resting period is also super important for a variety of reasons. The app will tell you all about it. Personally, I have loved the experience of using this. It gets me perfect steaks each and every time. I have had no issues with it. I love the phone app. I love the unit. And the only thing wrong with it is that I don't have like 5 more prongs. I will be investing more in this brand just so I can have more people over and perfect steaks for all of us simultaneously. Highly recommend if you're looking for that perfect steak.